Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will gonna learn about what is migration, how to create and run migration, what is up and down method in migration, and how to drop all the migration and rerun the migration. So let's get started. So our first question is, what is migration? Laravel migration is a way that allows you to create a table in your database without actually going to the database manager such as phpMyAdmin or SQLite. For example, you want to change the structure of your database. So what you will gonna do? You will gonna pass SQL file from one member to another. It will gonna create hurdle for your team. Now it's time to do some practical. So first of all, you have to open your command prompt. Go to your project folder. My project folder is located inside cam/Actidos/Laravel/Yajra. Now you have to write the command php space artisan space make :migration space create _student _table. I will gonna create migration for my student. You can name it anything. Now it will gonna create migration for us. Now you have to open your project in any code editor. I will gonna prefer Visual Studio Code. Our migration file is located inside database migration and then create _student _table. As you see, there are two methods available. The first one is up and the another one is down. Up method is used to create or edit the table or columns in the database, while the down method is used to roll back the operation performed by the up method. I will gonna create student table, which will gonna have two fields. The one is name and the another one is class ID, that is foreign key. So let's see how to do it. You have to write $table string and in quotation name. Now I will gonna show you how to define foreign key. So first of all, you have to write $table big integer, your field name, nullable and unsigned. We have used nullable because our field may be null. We have used unsigned because our class ID will gonna have positive values. Now you have to write $table foreign and then your field name, which is class ID, and then you have to write the references. Here you have to write the field name of the foreign table. My foreign key is ID, so I will gonna write ID. Now you have to specify the table name on and then table name. My table is class. Now I will gonna show you how to migrate your migration. Before that, you have to create your database. I will gonna show you how to create database. So open your phpMyAdmin. Now you have to click on new. Now you have to specify your database. My database name is going to be Yajra. Now you have to hit enter. So as you see, my database is created successfully. Now you have to specify your database name in environment file. If you don't know where the environment file is located, your environment file is located inside your project folder. Now you have to write your database name. My database name is Yajra, so I will gonna specify as Yajra. Now you have to save your file and go to command prompt. Now you have to write the command php space artisan space migrate. Now you have to hit enter. It will gonna migrate all your migration and create tables in your database. If you want to drop all your tables from database and you have to recreate it, then you have to write the command php space artisan space migrate :fresh. Now you have to hit enter. It will gonna drop all the tables and rerun the migration. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you have liked my video. If you have any doubts, please write it down in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel.